In 1978, 5 bodyguards were killed in under 2 minutes on a quiet Rome street, and the man they were protecting was taken alive. His name was Aldo Moro. He was the most powerful politician in Italy, and the Red Brigades had him. For 55 days, Moro wrote letters from captivity to his colleagues, to political leaders, to the Pope. He begged them to negotiate. He watched them say no, one by one. The Italian government held firm. The United States backed them. No deals, no exceptions. The letters got more desperate, more personal. He knew what the silence meant. On day 55, it was over. His body was found in the trunk of a car in Rome, parked exactly halfway between Christian Democrat headquarters and Communist Party headquarters. The location was not an accident. It was a message. The letters still exist. They are kept in Italian archives. They document a man watching his allies choose politics over his life in real time. The state won. Moro didn't.